On today's Daily Eco, we'll explore flax seeds, also known as linseeds. We'll discuss their health benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Properties of flax seeds. Flaxseed has numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds have digestive, soothing, and anti-inflammatory properties. They can also act as laxative, potentially aid blood sugar control, and provide pain relief. Additionally, flaxseed may help lower cholesterol, promote relaxation, ease coughs, and increase urination. These impressive properties come from the rich content of phytoactives, unsaturated fatty acids, flavonoids, and phytosterols. So let's explore the specific health benefits of consuming these seeds. Improves digestion and stomach comfort. Flaxseed shines for its digestive benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with mucilage, a type of soluble fiber. When mixed with water, mucilage forms a gel-like substance that aids digestion in several ways. It promotes regularity by adding bulk to stool, easing constipation. Additionally, it soothes irritation and reduces stomach acidity, providing relief for those experiencing discomfort. Blood sugar support. Flaxseed may offer benefits for blood sugar management. These seeds are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which some studies suggest might help regulate blood sugar levels. These could potentially be helpful for individuals with diabetes. Hair shine boost. Flaxseed goes beyond the gut. The mucilage in these seeds can be used as a hair mask for potential shine benefits. Simply soak flaxseed, apply the mucilage-rich water to hair, rinse, and enjoy. Skin soothing. Flaxseed's anti-inflammatory properties might help with acne by reducing bacterial inflammation. Additionally, it may promote hydration. While flaxseed has potential benefits, always consult a dermatologist for any skin concerns. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What is the scientific name of flax seeds? Linum sativum, Linum usitasimum, Linum perenne, Linum vulgare. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of flaxseed, consider showing your support with a super thanks. It helps the Daily Eco keep creating informative content that you love. Weight management. Flaxseed fiber may boost fullness, reducing cravings and aiding weight loss goals. It also contains omega-3, linked in some studies to weight management with a healthy diet and exercise. Flaxseed itself won't cause weight loss, but it can be a helpful tool on your wellness journey. Lowers LDL cholesterol. Flaxseed may play a role in heart health by potentially reducing bad cholesterol. This aligns with weight management benefits as high cholesterol can be associated with obesity. By incorporating flaxseed into your diet alongside a healthy lifestyle, you might address both concerns at the same time. How to enjoy flaxseed. Flaxseed offers versatility. Here are a few ways to incorporate it into your routine. Take 1 tablespoon of raw flaxseed washed down with water 3 times a day, maximum 3 tablespoons. For a more gel-like consistency, soak 1 tablespoon in a cup of hot or cold water for 10 minutes. Enjoy this mucilage-rich drink twice a day. Grind flaxseed into a flour. Boil it in water or milk and apply the warm paste with a calming effect to affected skin areas using cotton. Get creative, explore recipes featuring flaxseed like delicious flaxseed cookies. Contraindications. Flaxseed is great for most people, but keep this in mind. Modern flax has minimal amounts of a compound that can convert to cyanide, grind right before use for safety. Avoid crushing flaxseed excessively, swallow whole or grind finely. Limit to recommended amounts to avoid bloating or gas. If you have low blood pressure, consult your doctor before consuming flaxseed regularly because it might lower it. As always, talk to your doctor before adding flaxseed to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B, linum usitatissimum. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and until next time.